Well, we need to do a little maintenance today. We just got in shooting episode 2 of our Make It or Buy It yesterday. It's fully edited. Get it uploaded. But we have a problem with our 2x72. I'll show you here in a second. We're having some issues. That's not good. All right. So what we need to do is get our tripod set up, right? For one. Oh, no. This is not supposed to do that. All the other ones are good. It's this guy right here. So we got to take this out, put the new one on. So that's what we're gonna do. So I have new ones. If I can find my box, stuff. Those are my new wheels and bearings. So we'll take a look at these. We'll pull out. We'll get on that nut right there and that bolt right there, and we'll pull this out because that's no bueno. See, this one will be the next one to go, but these are good. It's a little bit. That one's supposed to move anyways, but. So it's not, we're not loose at all, and that one's good to hook. So we'll get the tools, we'll put that all together, and we won't have this whiny little bitch of a 2x72 anymore. Yeah, so I've never actually replaced these before, and this is the original wheels that were on it. I've had this for about, probably 7 years. I don't know, I can't remember. I've had it for a while. But yeah, that didn't. Stupid crescent wrench. Take 2. Press down on this one. Ratchet this one. Oh fuck. That's not gonna work. Oh. Fuck, it slipped off. Okay. Got them nylon freaking lock nuts on there. So let me just unscrew that, pull that out. We don't want to lose any of our stuff here, so we gotta be really I'm a fucking idiot. Alright, we dumped it in our freaking oh shit. Okay, put those right there. We got this guy right here. So what we have here, okay, so we have washers. This guy, I mean, I'm wondering why this got even all, I think the only reason this even got screwed up is this bearing came out. I mean, yeah, that bearing just wasn't gonna work. Good thing is these are real easy to replace. So this goes through here like that. These guys go in here. I believe that's how that was. Oh, that's odd. That's odd. Got a retaining ring on that guy. Wondering if this needs to go all the way in. I don't freaking know. I mean, that makes sense right there. But I don't think I have enough room. I might. Oh, yeah. So, let's see how that sits on there, and if it's not how it's supposed to be, then we'll fix it. And we'll figure it out. Let's put this thing on and go to town. Ooh. No. Nope. That's not how it's supposed to be done. We already figured it out. That's not how it's supposed to be done. I mean, I guess if I wasn't being a complete moron, I would have figured that out. Right? So... I'm not liking how that's supposed to sit out here. We're missing something. We're missing a space. We're missing something. We're missing something here. We have to be. Because this is supposed to sit like right there. And it's not. Like it's wanting to push that wheel over there and that doesn't turn. Fuck. Maybe you guys will see it. Maybe you guys will see something here that I'm missing here, because I'm not seeing how. I mean, I am. That bearing goes all the way out to the end in here. Let me take this one off. Okay, yeah, the bearing needs to go all the way to the end there. And these guys, this bearing's completely freaking fried. This bearing right here, it's like flopping around. This bearing's actually still good. I wonder if sticking this other bearing in there will help it, which is kind of dumb if you think about it, but oh well, I guess. So if we try and take this other bearing, yeah, this bearing's bigger than these. Because you see down in there's a bearing in there. And those are pressure fit in there. And these guys are too big. So we'll just take this other one off. So if you look at this guy right here, see, we have this bearing here and that bearing there. I mean, these are still good, but look, hokey pokey, hokey pokey. Yeah, the bearings got pushed in all the way. I'm wondering, like, for this to work, that bearing needs to be out here. For these to sit in here. Right. That bearing needs, this bearing needs, the inner bearing needs to be flush. Not good. I'm gonna go figure this out, and we'll be back. Well, fuck. We bought the wrong bearing, the wrong wheels for the grinder. We needed the flush set wheels, not the inset wheels. Okay, time to go talk to Mama about ordering brand new freaking wheels. Jesus. Well, there's a reason why I still have my Grizzly, I guess. Get that fucker set up so I can actually use it to finish out my custom orders that I have. Well, this has been fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys learned something. For one. Definitely hope you guys learned something. The lesson for today is make sure you check your goddamn bearings and where they sit in the freaking contact wheels before you buy wheels, because they're not all created equal. Don't do what I did, folks. Stay safe out there. Be well. And as always, Forge on.